2, 3.
I can't take my eyes off of you.
Stayed out too late, got bills to pay, but Lord, I'm loving you. I got this black town feeling, now I'm following you. It's funny how the world is such an ugly place, yet you're on my mind completely, baby. I forget where we are based.
Good morning. Good morning. So we're heading to Yala today for our next destination point. We're really excited to go down the B35. We shouldn't hope to encounter a wild elephant, but secretly we are. And I am wearing a long sleeve top today because I'm finding that long journeys on the tuk-tuk, the wind just really chills me, which I know is really pathetic, but it is meant to get a bit warmer down there. Okay. So we are leaving this beautiful homestay now. Had a great time. The one thing I would recommend if coming here is just make sure you ask for a mosquito net. Mum and Dad got one, and I should have asked for one, but I just thought I'd deal with it, but there's a lot of bugs in the night. Yeah, not good. It's a happy day. We finally mastered it and cracked getting all 3 cases in back. Hey. We still would not recommend it, and just get yourself a backpack, make life way easier. So we are leaving Ella. It's been beautiful. Thank you for having us. So off we go. We're heading towards Yala now. The B35 route. We can't wait. So as we were just leaving that property, Ella Peace Heaven, they actually were offering us an extra night completely for free, just because they thought we were great guests, which was really lovely. And if we didn't have the next place booked, we absolutely would have, because it was an amazing stay.
Keeps the ferryman smirking.
So we've been travelling for what? An hour? And we're just going to stop off for some shorties and a bit of a drink. This is where we're stopping. Hello.
Take a seat. Do you want
any bits? Let's try some of that. What's that up there? That's buns.
I've never been some of them shorties in it. I'm really desperate to try them.
Yeah, you've got to. I'm not going to that.
What is it?
I don't know. When in Rome. Got this tuk-tuk down to the
You don't need to get backpacks. Standing right there. We've only just come onto this road that runs parallel to it, so we can pop back now. Good job you stopped there.
Oh, here they come.
chili pepper. Don't
Not chili.
This is chili.
Let's try a little bit.
Where's mine?
Was that brave? Definitely going to be making these when we get home.
Very nice.
So there is a river behind our garden. Really? We are hoping to go to the B35. The road, the B35 to see elephant.
No. Elephant is very dangerous.
Yes,
we know. Distance.
Yeah. So cute though.
Cute.
We're stupid.
No, you keep.
No.
Baby, on baby. You buy baby sweetie. Get bananas.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye to your family. Say bye. Thanks very much.
They are our garden.
Okay.
Really? Oh wow.
Don't.
Wow.
Yum yum.
You come again.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Tutti.
Thank you so much.
You are very beautiful. Come again.
Will do, definitely. Oh! Oop!
Am I asking for too much? Would you give it up for love and just follow me? Ooh, here I go. I got a backpack to ready and a man who wants to.
Just pulled on to the B35 and we have our eyes peeled for the elephants. The local told us to avoid this road and said it's too dangerous. But us Brits are notorious idiots, so yeah. It would be our own fault. I think we've just driven by elephant poo, so.
One thing to know, will you follow me, Romeo? 'Cause I need to be.
B35, which is a national park and has many animals within it, which includes elephants, leopards, mongoose, deer. So if we do see an elephant, the advice is that we should stop at quite a distance away and then wait for a car and then follow closely behind the car to get by it. So yeah, let's see if we'll have to do it. Don't see any tuk-tuks on here, do you?
That's the only car we've seen since that barrier.
So one thing you notice immediately on here, there are no tuk-tuks and the cars are very few and far between. We've been on here for how many kilometres would you say now, Dad?
10.
About 10 kilometres and we've seen one lorry and one car. So we haven't seen any. Just as I say. So, seriously?
It's blocking the whole road off.
Well, I take that back. There's literally one ahead apparently. Not going to see it yet. There we have it.
You happy now, Mom?
Gorgeous, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Because they can charge it again. So here I am, out of the tuk-tuk.
Contradicted everything that you said.
Well, we're just chilling now. Gonna wait for him to pass. Wait for another car. There's a tuk-tuk on the other side.
Is it another tuk-tuk?
No, it's a motorbike.
Oh.
You're going to run into the woods out of it. Leave me here.
So the bulls roam on their own and they're generally more aggressive. The females are with the young and other females.
Even had it before this.
I don't think that's the best idea, do you? Oh my god! We missed our shot. We've lost our window of opportunity.
We haven't, because there's a bus coming.
Go, go.
Yeah, okay, thanks.
Oh yeah, the bus driver today was fantastic. If he hadn't have etched the bus into such a position to let the tuk-tuk through, that elephant was having us. Thank you, Mr. Bus Driver. That's the first and last time I'll say that about the bus drivers here.
Some nice watermelon juice here. It's very tasty.
I'm the apple Spencer.
Ah, you finished now?
No.
You're on leave? Ah. You've got a nice house. It's a lovely country.
Wife?
Wife, daughter.
Daughter.
Yeah. Plus she gets the looks off me.
On the left, I think. In a minute.
Unfortunately, Mollie's just found the puppy, injured leg, hardly any fur, just left in a car park for dead, shaking. So we're now going to take this dog to a sanctuary.
So skinny, just so lethargic on the side of the road. Broke my heart. She's got a poorly leg. Pretty sure it's a puppy. Not even sure on the gender. I was that scared to look under. Pretty girl. So we've just arrived at our homestay, but obviously it's going to be an issue bringing a dog here when there's no pets, and we need a vet or a sanctuary. So we are going to go to a vet, get this little girl some help because it's breaking her heart. And at this rate, we're going to be bringing her back to the UK. So we found an SOS sanctuary, but it don't open till 10 AM. Oh, thank you, perfect. So we are going to the owners are letting us keep her here for tonight, and then we're going to go tomorrow morning. That's perfect.
Dog's favorite food.
What is that?
Curd.
Pardon?
Curd.
Curd.
Curd. Cow's milk.
Ah, oh, curd. It's curd. And these lovely people are letting us keep the dog in their house tonight.
So the host's brother is going to show us where the vet is because they open at 4 o'clock. So we're going to take her, see if we can get her any medication, get her checked over. We're at the clinic.
Ooh. What you got? Poorly doggy, not know what to do with it.
Now it's Sri Lankan history dog.
This one, look.
And
Is
it's
this like
And she's got a full tummy, I bet, for the first time in a very long time. So
never had full tummy.
she's going to have a good night's sleep tonight.
Beautiful villa. Two bedrooms, completely the same. The bathroom shared, absolutely fantastic, all clean. Overall, 10 out of 10. Family are so nice, they live next door.
Yeah.
See your house, it's lovely. I want to meet the lovely family.
This is small shop. Yeah.
This is brilliant. Oh, this is great. Hello.
Hello.
Pleased to meet you, sir. Is this the shop then? Ah. So you sell all...
Everything is over now. It's an empty shop.
Yeah.
Come show you the
Yeah.
rice mill.
Oh, is this yours too? Is this your building too?
Yes, we put rice
Rice.
with husk. And
Oh, is it...
and we put here
Ah, yeah. And what does it end up like?
Like that. It's come back this rice.
Ah,
This machine is polished red rice.
right. Because you're very, very clever people.
What we can taste
Yeah, yeah, I'd love to see that.
coming on this way again and again.
Again and again until you...
Yes, after the at the fourth time we change that and it going on this way.
Ah.
The fourth time.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I can't take my eyes off of you.
Stayed out too late, got bills to pay, but Lord, I'm loving you. I got this black tie feeling, now I'm following you. It's funny how the world